Today we're going to make an accordion book. Let's get started.
Welcome back, artists. Miss Brown here, and I'm coming to you from my studio at the Textile Art Center in Brooklyn. Today's project is a really fun one and one of my favorites. We're going to be making an accordion book. If you don't know what an accordion book is, you're going to find out very soon. The neat thing about an accordion book is the way that it opens. So when you open it, all of the pages come out together and they can fold back and forth just like the instrument, an accordion. Here's a picture of one in case you don't know what an accordion is. Ha, I thought you knew what it was. I was pretty sure. Anyway, the neat thing about this project is we're going to use the paper from one of my prior videos. So if you made the marbled paper with the nail polish, go and find it so you can use it for the covers. If you don't have that project or you don't have the paper, that's okay. You're going to be able to use any lightweight paper for this project. So wrapping paper will work, copy paper will work. If you have even magazine paper will work. It just needs to be able to fold fairly easily so that when we put it on the cardboard that you're going to use for the covers, it will fold over the edge using a glue stick and we'll be able to stick it down. So I hope you will have a lot of fun. And the other fun thing about this is you have so many places to draw. Front, the back, and you can use whatever materials you want for drawing. You could even paint on it if you used heavier weight paper. I'm going to show you how to do it with simple copy paper or computer paper. But if you have other paper that you would like to use, that's fine too. And you can modify this to make bigger books or smaller books. It's just going to be a lot of fun.
For this project, you will need cardboard, white paper, colorful or marbled paper that is lightweight for the cover, a pencil, scissors, glue stick, ruler, and clear tape. The first thing you're going to do is fold your paper in half the hot dog way. That's the long way. Use your finger to press in the center and crease down and up. Now you're going to open your paper up, position your ruler on the crease. Grasping the top edge of your right side of your paper, tear towards you. This will make it so you have two even sheets. After you have your two even papers, make sure that you set one aside and start with the first one, folding into the center and overlapping the second part so that you have three even rectangles. Do this to both pieces of paper. Now you're going to fold the paper back and forth like a fan. Next, you're going to line up the two edges of each of the pieces of paper. Be mindful not to overlap at this point. Line them up and carefully tape along the edge. Flip your paper over and repeat the same step, applying tape to the back of your book. Now that your pages are attached, make sure they are in a fan fold. Double check to make sure that your book opens and closes like an accordion. Gather your cardboard and let's make the cover. You can use any type of recycled cardboard that you have on hand. You're going to take your book and measure the cover by tracing your book 2 times. Cut out your covers by using your scissors on the lines you created on the cardboard. Follow the line and be sure to remember to turn your cardboard as you're cutting. Make sure you cut both pieces out carefully and evenly. If you need help, ask a parent or care provider. Select your cover paper and turn it over. Position your cardboard on top of your cover paper and leave a little bit of space around the outside edges. Use your ruler to create some lines so that you can cut it out. Using a scissor, carefully cut out your cover paper. Use your first cutout cover paper to trace and create your second cover paper. This will make sure that you have 2 pieces of cover paper for your front and your back covers of your accordion book. Now you should have 2 covers and 2 cover papers. Carefully flip over your cover paper and make sure that your cardboard fits in the center, leaving enough space around the edges of the cover paper for it to fold over. Get your glue stick and apply glue stick to the center and the edges of both pieces of cardboard. Only do this on one side of the cardboard. Place the cardboard glue side down on the back of your cover paper and rub carefully. Do this to both covers. Using your scissor, carefully cut off the 4 corners of both cover papers. Be mindful not to get too close to your cardboard or you won't have enough room to fold over. First, apply glue stick to one side and carefully fold over. Turn and apply the glue stick to the opposite side and fold it over. Next, carefully apply a little bit of glue to the 2 corners and fold those in. This is very similar to wrapping a package. Next, apply glue to the center and fold over the entire edge. Do this to both sides. It should look like a little triangle when you're folding it over. Now it's time to attach our book onto our covers. Place glue stick on the cover itself. Do this to both sides. Then carefully line up the last piece of your paper, being mindful that you're keeping your fan fold. Press it down onto the back of the cover. Fold your book together. Position the second piece of paper onto the opposite cover. Congratulations! Your book is now ready. Check to make sure that all your pages are going the correct way.
I sure hope you had as much fun as I did making today's project, the accordion book. I'm ready to get started with my drawings. What are you going to draw in your book? I'm excited to hear. I'll see you next time.